Montgomery, Alabama for a STEM festival for kids along the Interstate 85 corridor. It is in partnership with META, the Alabama STEM Council, the Alabama STEM Ecosystem, I-85 Ecosystem, and TechMGM. We're here engaging 4th graders from multiple schools all the way from Auburn to Montgomery, and we are having a great time. They are on the hovercraft, they're using excavators to move dirt around, they're making propeller cars, they're even able to dissect a sheep heart. They have some artificial intelligence in here that they're able to engage with. They're flying drones and taking a journey through space.
Important. Anytime we can get more young people engaged in STEM activities early, it's fantastic for us. It's a win-win for our education. It's a win-win for our businesses. And it's a win-win for our community. So having an initiative like this has proven and has really shown the impact in just acknowledging the curiosity and boldness that so many of our students have. And to me, that's the best part of this.
So it's important for Montgomery because we're looking at our education and our workforce development pipeline. We want to make sure that we are raising and we're training competitive talent. So being able to expose students to STEM areas is so important right now because it gives them some career exposure. It also gives them great opportunity and lots of potential for what may come.
Get the wheels and get the body, and I got the propeller, got the engine. I put the engine on, and I got the 2 batteries and put the button right here on the back so the propel. And I went over there to race, and it won. And the propeller pushing it forward with the battery. The battery helped the propeller push it forward in order for it to go. So the battery.
Sure. Well, at META, we always want to invest in the next generation, and we believe in hiring the best and brightest folks. And a lot of folks who we do hire got their start in STEM, first discovered their interest in engineering or coding at events like this. So we feel like it makes all the sense in the world to invest in the next generation by sponsoring events just like the STEM Fest here in Montgomery.
The idea for us, and I think for Global STEM, would also be would both be tied to workforce development and to exciting children as they prepare themselves through preschool, elementary school, high school, through college, right on up and through the PhD, to prepare them to be ready to be productive as citizens of this state, to be employed and family supporters in our state, and I think those goals align. It's about helping parents find ways for their children to be excited about learning, participate in learning experiences that both do 2 things. One is help them with the knowledge base for STEM, and also to teach them the skills that they need in order to be part of the workforce base in our state.
It was smoking, not as long as black. That's why people don't smoke. If you smoke, this is what your logo will be.
It's a lot of tobacco in these logos.
Yeah, that's right.
A lot of tobacco in these.
So why is this?
Dr. Nigel here is a 5th grader, and he came over to we got Dr. Chase, come on man! Dr. James, so Dr. Nigel is recruiting other doctors. Dr. Nigel came over and saw the lungs, I'm with Dr. Faye, and he was so fascinated that he came back, and now he's teaching his colleagues, his fellow doctors, about the lung because Dr. Nigel wants to be a vet or a human doctor because he's got to get the sheep to stop smoking.
One is a vet or a doctor. 2 help edible.